Susan. Susan wants some extra cash, and she wants to work from home and be her own boss, all while wearing her polka dot pajamas. She wants to start selling things online, maybe on Amazon or eBay. But she has a couple of roadblocks. First of all, she's not really sure what to sell. What if nobody wants to buy her stuff? What if there's too many other people out there selling it already? And where do you find the things to sell in the first place? There are plenty of wholesalers and dropshippers out there who can sell you great stuff for cheap, but there are also a lot of scammers. How do you know who you can trust? What if they sell you junk? What if you never see your money again? What if at the end of all this, Susan ends up losing money instead of making it? But surely it can't be that hard. So many people are making good money doing this. What's their secret? Their secret is SaleHoo. At SaleHoo, it's our job to make it easy for you to find great products to sell and then find trustworthy suppliers for those products so you can start seeing those great profits come in. We have over 8,000 trusted wholesale suppliers and dropshippers in an easy-to-search directory so you can find exactly what you're looking for, or just browse for ideas. We also have fancy tools to help you find profitable things to sell so you can predict how much money you'll make from each product so you know which products will make good profits and which ones you should avoid. When you use SaleHoo, you can feel safe in knowing that your supplier has been checked and verified by a team of wholesale experts. And you can feel safe that what you choose to sell won't be a flop. So if you're like Susan and you're ready to join over 100,000 happy SaleHoo members, like Paula, who's making $4,000 per month, and Chris, who made $70,000 after just 4 months, join SaleHoo today and get started.